In today's video, we are going to see about the communication, international trade and tourism as a trade. These topics are coming under the lifelines of the national economy. Without any delays, let's get started. So now we'll see about the communication. So communication, what is meant by communication? It is a transfer of information from one place or a person or a group to another. So there are a wide range of ways in which we communicate. So first we'll see about the personal communication and the mass communication, which includes the television, radio, press, films, etc. So these are the major means of communication in the country. So first under this we are going to see about the Indian Postal Network. So it is the largest in the world and also it handles parcels, personal written communications. So the first class mails, which includes the cards and envelopes, are airlifted between the stations covering both land and air. Next one, the second class mail, that which includes the book packets, registered newspapers and the periodicals. They are carried by surface mails covering the land and water transport. So this one is to facilitate quick delivery of mails in large towns and cities, and there are 6 mail channels. They are called the Rajdhani channel, Metro channel, Green channel, Business channel, Bulk mail channel and Periodic channel. So India, next one, India, it has one of the largest telecom network in India. It has one of the largest telecom network in Asia. So 2/3 of the villages in India, they have the telephone facility, that is a subscriber trunk dialing, that is STD. So here, to strengthen the flow of information, the 24 hours STD facility to every village in the country is provided, and there is a uniform rate of STD facilities all over India, and this has happened due to the integral development in space technology with communication technology. Next we will see about the mass communication. This mass communication is totally for the entertainment and create awareness, and this is the national program and policies. Mass communication provides the entertainment and create awareness among people about various national programs and policies. It includes the radio, television, newspaper, magazines and books and films. So it is a process of exchanging through mass media, that is a large segment of the population. Next we will see about the All India Radio, that is Akashvani, which broadcasts the programs in national, regional and local languages for various categories of people. So Akashvani, it means the voice from the sky. It is the national public radio broadcast of India. Next one is the Doordarshan, that is a distant vision television. So it is founded by the Government of India. It is a national television channel of India, one of the largest terrestrial networks in the world. So what happens, what they will do, it will broadcast the programs from entertainment, educational to sport, etc. India publishes newspapers and periodicals annually. So they are of different type depending upon their periodicity. So the newspapers are published in about 100 languages and dialects. So that is, it also reaches a particular form of a language. It is also available in a particular form of a language which is practiced to a specific region or social group. So it also supply the newspaper for a particular in a particular form of a language which is peculiar to a specific region or the social group. So India, it is the largest producer of feature films in the world. It produces short films, video feature films and video short films. Here the authority to certify both the Indian and foreign films are the Central Board of Film Certification. Here the Central Board of Film Certification is the authority to certify both the Indian and the foreign films. So next we will see about the international trade. So what is meant by trade? Trade, it is the exchange of goods among people, states and countries. So where it will happen? It will happen in the market. That is, it is a place where such exchange takes place. What is the international trade? It is trade between two countries. So this international trade, how it will take place? It will take place through sea, air or land routes. So here comes the local trade. So local trade is a trade which is happening in the cities, towns and villages. State level trade, it is between 2 or more states. Now we will see about the economic barometer. So what is meant by the economic barometer? This economic barometer, it is the advancement of the international trade of the country. It is the index to its economic prosperity, and that is why it is therefore considered as the economic barometer for the country. In this we are going to see about the Components of the trade. So here what are the components of the trade? The export and import are called as the components of the trade. So when there will be a balance, when the difference between its import and export should be there. The difference between its export and import is considered to be the balance of the trade. So when you say it is a favorable balance of trade, means when the value of the export, it exceeds the value of the import. When you consider that as an unfavorable balance of trade, it means when the value of export exceeds, you consider that as an unfavorable balance of trade when the value of import exceeds the value of export. So the commodities exported from India are the gems and jewelries, chemicals and related products, agriculture and allied products. The commodities imported to India are the petroleum crude and products, gems and jewelry, chemicals and related products, base metals, electronic items, machinery, agricultural and allied products. India is also evolving as a software giant as it is earning large foreign exchange from the information technology. The next we will see about the tourism as a trade. So here the tourism, more than 15 million people are directly engaged in this tourism industry. So this tourism, it promotes the national integration, provides support to local handicrafts and cultural pursuits. It also helps the development of international understanding, that is our culture and heritage. Here the foreign tourists, they visit India for the heritage tourism, ecotourism, adventure tourism, cultural tourism, medical tourism and business tourism. So this is the vast potential for the development of tourism in all parts of the country, and the efforts are made to promote different types of tourism for the upcoming industry. Yes dear learners, in this video we saw in detail about the communication, international trade and tourism as a trade in detail. Thank you children.